Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video I'm going to be upgrading my everyday carry for 2024 courtesy of Andar. We have a backpack, a wallet and of course a case for the iPhone 15 Pro. It's all going to be made out of Andar's premium full grain leather, so let's take a look. As always, a massive thank you to Andar for sending these products over for the purpose of review. Everything's going to be linked in that description down below. So starting off with the bag, we have the Manhatten. I've got it in camel tan, which is pretty much going to be the same colorway for every accessory in this video. However, it is available in 6 different colorways, including some collaborations with the UFC. And just to get one of my favourite features out of the way at the very start of this video, you've got some magnets to hold down the straps. There's nothing that I hate more than when you put your bag down on a table or on the floor, for example, your straps are going everywhere. However, with some very simple magnets, they're going to stay secure and stay in place all day, every day. Now, the Manhatten comes in at a 22 litre capacity, meaning you've got plenty of room for anything that you need, whether you want to use it for a tech everyday backpack or you're going away for a weekend and you want to put a ton of clothes in there. You've got multiple options here because there is a ton of space and a ton of compartments. You also have a side handle if you want to use it more like a piece of luggage or a briefcase. And speaking of luggage, because of that 22 litre capacity, it's going to fit in perfectly fine over the majority of overhead bins in aeroplanes. Now of course the finish is going to be 100% premium full grain oil waxed leather. You've got some high quality YKK zippers and a durable canvas interior. So in general I think this bag's going to hold up over many years. Now you've got a ton of compartments, some a lot more obvious. However, if you go around to the back side of things and just under the strap here on the right hand side, you've got a little discreet back pocket here. So if you need to keep anything like passport or important documents very close to you, then you've got the option to do so. Now don't get me wrong, because of all the premium materials, the Manhatten does come in at a premium price of $344. However, if you compare that to some other leather backpacks out there, it's actually pretty good in terms of the overall value, and for me, I've used a ton of Andar products before in the past, so I know it's going to hold up over time. And because it is made of full grain leather, you are also going to get the aging of the backpack over that time as well, or what's more commonly known as a patina. Now what that basically means is over the time of you using the bag, it is going to wear and it is going to discolor ever so slightly, and it's going to have its own finish to it that's going to be unique to you and how you've used the bag over time. So for me, although it may look a little bit older after time, it's only based on my usage and my memories. Now, as well as the main compartment at the top here, you do have another compartment just in front of it, and also one on the front here which may be a little bit harder to see. So in total you've got 3 different zipper compartments, and again once you get inside of one you can see that canvas on the inside there. So again, very durable, definitely going to hold up over time. And also in the compartments you've got multiple compartments there as well. So again, if you are using more of a tech bag, for example, you've got a ton of space with regards to external SSDs, cables, chargers, whatever you need to take around. I also like the fact that it is very well made, meaning it can just stand up. I hate sometimes having a backpack, putting it down and it just falls over in any which way, whereas this is very sturdy, even being that very soft, supple leather. And again, from a tech perspective, this is also going to hold up to a 16-inch laptop, so even if you've got one of the newer MacBook Airs, for example, that is 16 inches, no problems whatsoever. Now, I know what some of you guys may be thinking, $344 for a backpack. That's a little bit overpriced. However, do keep in mind that this isn't just a bag that you're going to be using for the odd year or so. Because the finish and because the way that it is designed, this for me is going to be a 5 or even 10-year bag moving forward. And again, because of that patina, because of the leather finish, it's going to age really nicely and just get better over time. The Manhatten from Andar will be linked in that description down below, along with everything else in this video. Next up then, onto the wallet, and here we have the Turner, this again in the camel tan finish, full grain leather. Now the Turner is a very slim card wallet. It's not for those that keeps every single receipt or carries a load of cash, it's for the more minimal out there. It starts at $44 and is available in 6 different colorways. Now of course the Turner is made of full grain leather, the highest quality grade of leather. It's got RFID blocking materials to prevent personal card information from also being stolen, which on a slim wallet like this comes in pretty handy. Now with the Turner you've got multiple ways to use it. You can keep your most used card front and center up at the front here with a quick easy slot. You can then have up to 10 cards in the center section here as well with a nice quick easy pull tab, so allowing you to get access to all of your cards super quickly. There's also a slot around the back there, so if you do want to carry some cash or have a parking ticket with quick easy access, then it's got you covered. And again, being that full grain leather, it's also going to age and patina really nicely over time, taking it in and out of your pocket multiple times or just holding it. The transfer of oil from your hands onto the wallet means it's going to age super nicely. Now we also can't put across to you over the video here in regards to how nice this wallet actually feels. Although it is leather, it doesn't actually feel very stiff, it's very soft and it feels really premium. And don't take this the wrong way, but it also has a pretty nice smell to it overall. You can definitely tell that this is 100% premium leather. But in general, if you're looking for a slim, minimal wallet that has a ton of functionality and can hold a ton of cards, then I think the Turner is the way to go. And then lastly, we have the phone case from Andar, and of course it had to be the Aspen. Now of course, like everything else in this video, I've got it in the camel tan colorway. Now it's available in 14 different colors in total and it comes in at $55. Now I have done a full video in the past on the Andar Aspen, which of course will be linked in the description down below. And I've also got an upcoming video because they've sent me a brand new version of the Aspen here. I've also still got my older version, which I've had on my device for around 4 months using it every single day. So I'm going to do a little bit of a comparison between the old and the new to show that aging over time as well. But with the Aspen, you know exactly what you're getting yourself in for. So you've got the premium full grain oil wax leather finish, alloy metal buttons, and again that's the buttons for the power button, volume, and also the action button. And you also have a metal camera housing around the back camera side of things as well, so plenty of protection. You've got MagSafe on board along with the downward alignment magnet, which means if you're using it with accessories like wallets or car chargers or just in general phone stands, then it's going to secure itself really nicely. The magnets are also pretty strong as well, meaning that if you do have any accessories on the back of your phone, they shouldn't really be going anywhere. You've got all of the cutouts on the bottom that you need with regards to the USB-C speaker and microphone, and again it's a precision cut. This case also fits extremely well onto my iPhone 15 Pro, and it's got a nice microfiber lining on the inside, meaning no scratches even over time. And again, because of that leather finish, it just feels extremely nice. Now again, if you do have an older iPhone, they do also do them for previous generations as well, but I think here with the titanium iPhone 15 Pro, pretty much any colorway that you're going to be getting looks incredible. Now, although you do have metal buttons covering the original buttons, they are still very tactile and very clicky as well, so going to the volume side of things or even your action button, power button, no issues whatsoever. I've also not had any issues with the USB-C ports accommodating pretty much any cable that I own. Now, I said it in my previous video and I'm probably going to continue to say it until something else comes along, but the Andar Aspen has to be my go-to and my favourite full leather case for the iPhone 15 Pro. And again, like everything else in this video, will be linked in the description down below. And that's going to do it guys for this video on my new everyday carries for 2024. Again, let me know in the comments section down below what you're currently using, or if you want to pick anything up from Andar, let me know what you're thinking in the comments section down below. Although I featured this bag, this wallet in this case, they've got a ton of other accessories available on the website. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a like, and if you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And of course, once you've hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you're notified anytime I post a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.